Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you how to create a flower in Affinity. So let's get started. First, I'll grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle on my canvas. Then I'm gonna change the color. Any color will do for now. We'll change it later. Then make it a little transparent. Next, I'm gonna duplicate the circle. I'm gonna grab the move tool or simply press V. Then by holding Alt and Shift, I'll drag the circle to the right, about this far. Then I'm gonna press Ctrl A to select all. Go to the top, right here, and click Intersect. And here's the first petal. Now let's fill it with color, maybe gradient. So let's make it pink on this side. I'm gonna copy the hex code. Then I'll change the opacity to 20%. And for this side, I'll paste the hex code here and press enter. Now it has the same pink. I'll change the opacity to 70%. Now I'll grab the fill tool and move this handle to the top and this one to the bottom. After that, I'll select the move tool, then go to the move tool settings at the context toolbar and check enable transform origin. Then I'll move this point downward, just a little outside the petal, about this much. Now I'm gonna duplicate the petal by pressing Ctrl J, and I'm gonna hold Shift and drag this handle to rotate it to the right. It's 15 degrees to the right. Now with the duplicated petal still selected, press Ctrl J to duplicate. Keep pressing it multiple times until it forms a full flower petals. Let's select all, group them so the layers look neat, and move it to the center. Now I'll grab the ellipse tool, draw a circle, make it yellow, select the move tool, drag it to the center, and send it to back. I'll make it a little smaller. After that, I'll grab the pen tool, click right here in the middle of the flower, then click here at the bottom to create a line. Change the color to green, and change the width to 10 point. Next, I'm gonna grab the stroke width tool and drag here at the bottom of the line to make it thicker. Then select the node tool and bend it a little. Then we can send it to back. Now the flower is done. So that's all about creating a flower in Affinity. I hope this brightened your day. Make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.